Oh, look at that. Speed holes. Woo! How's it going, YouTube?
Welcome back.
Welcome back to First Timers Baby Edition. So, we got something that's pretty cool here. We have a product called Evenflo Pivot. It's a 6 modes of use. So pretty much you have multiple modes of being able to transport your child, as well as a baby seat, car seat. Yeah, baby's not here yet, and the biggest thing and reason why we wanted to get kind of like a 2-piece was, one, we could have a baby seat, car seat for the car. So obviously, before you take your child in and before you get that bag ready, make sure you have a baby seat so you can bring home your child. So that would be a little weird to get there and you're like, oh, where's your baby seat? I don't have one. So you don't want to mess that up. So we're kind of thinking ahead to not just buy a stroller, but a baby seat as well, or a combo. But it looks pretty cool, very simple. We're gonna take it out of the box and just kind of look at it and critique it a little bit, I guess. I'm kind of stoked to see it, so let's do it. Give it to Hiro. So I'm not too sure if there's going to be any assembly required, but we'll take a quick look. It already kind of looks like there's some pieces.
Yeah.
It's like, dang! So I'll throw it in there for now. Let's see what comes out. We have to both come out at the same time.
It all comes out. Ooh. You want it with the plastic? Without the plastic?
It doesn't matter. Oh, what does it smell like? It smells like something familiar. Actually, you know what it smells like? It smells like a shoe store.
Yeah, it reminds me of Payless Shoe Store for some reason.
Alright, let's sit in here for a second.
Payless Shoe Store, yep.
That's funny. Alright, hold on. So we dropped the wheel. At least stain the floors with some good stain so it didn't mark it. Wheels actually, feel that. Actually feels pretty good.
Solid.
Yeah. That's actually a pretty good wheel. Rubber.
Solid rubber, yeah.
Yeah. And actually, that's pretty.
No flats.
No flats. When we run flats, bro.
Run flats.
Run flats. Alright, so how do I get this guy out? Okay, so this is the baby seat. Cool.
The car seat?
The car seat, yep. So, obviously, this guy.
Instructions.
Oh, I got instructions, so that's probably good to look at. So it looks like this guy is pretty straightforward. Has a Evenflo baby seat. Every little holder there. Pick up, hold. Actually, extremely nice. I'll help Hiro right now so I can.
No, I was just getting it so this doesn't fall down the box.
Overall,
It's got some Recaro straps here.
it
Sparkle.
looks pretty sick though. I mean, look at that. Too bad it didn't come in red.
Is this part of it?
Huh? Yeah. It's the bottom. It's the base.
It's just coming off.
Yeah, this one.
Is it gonna fall? Oh, okay.
Okay. So it looks like we have our work cut out for us. I don't know where the other wheels are.
So there's like so many straps. So this must go.
Is that the car one?
Yeah, I think so. If you just leave this in your car.
Yeah, and then the baby sits
So
in
it just
it.
goes.
That's pretty sick.
How cool is that?
Okay.
I mean, I remember
Yeah.
back in the day,
Yeah,
when I was
take the
a
whole
kid,
thing
you
and
had
then
to
strap it out. Yeah, okay. So this is exciting. I know it's dating us guys. I remember when we had to strap in. We had to go for a 30-mile ride in the snow.
You guys don't know how it was.
Fire retardant, so if I move that one. Okay, so I said it's pretty interesting because you have that new Nike smell.
The new shoe smell.
Yeah. stroller's done. Look at it. It's good.
There you go. Left wheel. So I'll get. How are we gonna do this so we can both work?
I'll unpackage. I'll hand it to you. You put it on.
Okay, that works. Dude, that's it? Wow. So, they made it super simple. There's a button here. It's a release button.
So you can actually swap out the wheels.
Yeah, and you see the groove?
Yeah, that's pretty
so
sick.
So the thing just...
So you could swap. So if these break,
So pit stop.
So if these go out on you for whatever reason, it looks like you can just unclip it.
So like you roll up to your pit stop.
That is a quick change.
That was slow, dude.
I know. I wasn't knowing what he was doing, but yep, there it is.
I need the front part of
Right
this.
over there. Air handles me. No, smell it. This smells like a. I want to say this almost smells like a auto shop, like not, but like a old school like an original Napa place. Like you go in, it has that interesting smell. It's like rubbery. It smells like a.
Smells like a
hose.
shop, a mechanical shop.
Yeah, a
mechanical
rubber
shop,
hose
yeah.
shop. Yeah.
Definitely the rubber smell.
Yeah, these.
It's funny. We're just smelling a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, guys.
No, because look, it's actually really.
Yeah, I know it's dense.
What can we use to protect it? I don't know. My mind's just racing everywhere. I'm just thinking a lot of things lately.
It's like thinking cars.
Thinking everything.
So that one just pushes right in.
It's hard because whenever I push, I just roll.
Yeah, it slides right in.
All right.
Let's do the other one. And this one looks like it has a little clip too, right on the bottom, but that one you might need like a little screwdriver for. Dang! Look at that. We're looking like pros here.
Now I think we can put it on the ground.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this guy out of here.
I'll get it.
That's fine.
Oh. All right, Alvin. It's ready for you.
All right. I think this guy can hold 200 pounds. Feels pretty sick though. I think it actually has a really good feel, guys. Like,
So you can, after your baby's done with it, you can use it to carry tools around.
that's about it. Instead of a cart, you use a.
There you go.
So I'm assuming that this needs to go that way. So it looks like so simple so far. Just slides right in, locks in. So it looks like you can literally easily assemble this by pushing those two buttons and sliding it right out. So I'm actually kind of stoked about this one.
The simplicity factor is
Yeah.
definitely down.
It's definitely a thing.
Definitely a plus. Definitely a plus.
Okay, it's simple. Now let's see if we want to rotate. Is that these two? No. How about rotate? Okay, so right now the baby would be in a.
Do you want to use the instructions or do you want to try and figure it out?
Let me see. Oh wait, hold on. Let's see. I don't know what that does. Okay. Oh, is that folding? Oh,
Looks like it's
ah,
folding.
okay, I got you. Okay, makes sense. Oh, there it is. So it's a little quicker. So that goes there. Baby can go to sleep. Cover on. Air vents. Oh, look at that. Speed holes. So you're not getting a lot of things.
Air drag.
Yeah. Baby comes back up. Yeah. Again, lifting here. So it's actually pretty sick so far. And now I'm not sure. Oh, okay, I see. So this goes here to make it more of a seat. Alright, so open that up, sorry guys. So there's a little strap here that goes right here and pretty much holds the baby right in there.
in a more upright position,
Yeah.
and then feet down here.
Yep. And actually, I think there's still one more, so you can actually. Yeah, see, there's this thing. I don't know what this thing
Perhaps you can read the instructions.
is.
Maybe later.
Yeah,
Looks like it's actually a thick book because you have 6 different ways you can adjust this.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Ah. So, right here, you have this little strap. Pull it down. Baby goes down. So it has these little spots that are stitched up with the little rope. You want the baby to sit up. Locks it in. Baby's sitting right up. You want to rock the baby back again. Boom.
Too much sun. Boom.
Yeah. Look at that thing. This thing's like a little baby.
Too much
kayak.
wind. Boom.
I know, that's what I'm saying. It's like.
Too much crying. I don't know. Can't help you there.
That is actually pretty. This is actually a pretty trick.
And the wheel brakes.
Oh, I didn't look at those. Look at that. Got some.
Kick. Foot brakes.
And those are actually very little force.
Like Brembos.
Yeah, very little force. Locks it. Release. Release. So the release takes a lot more pressure, but the initial down is actually pretty simple. So, up. But anyway, guys, like we were saying though earlier, this is the actual car seat one. It goes right into the car seat. Seatbelt locks right in. So you don't actually have to take this out of the seat.
Of the car.
Of the car, I should say. Yep. And then from that point, we'll go to the next camera view. This should just literally come right around. Baby seat, you have the 2 clips there. Strap in here, it looks like. Oh, wait, backwards. Sorry. Baby's always face backwards. Okay.
You want to flip this up?
Boom. So, if you guys notice, it was actually pretty simple, nothing too difficult. This goes up to the top here. And there you go. But overall, it actually looks pretty good. It looks like it kind of grows with the baby, so it starts off with the baby with the smallest pad, and then it grows with the kid into a bigger pad. And then how do we take this off? Oh, adjustable.
What was that?
Okay, I don't know. So just to show you guys.
Okay. I think it's the space.
Oh, the space for seats. Oh, okay.
Like a riser.
So you have a little thing here. You can literally just turn it. Boom, there you go. So it's right then and there. Quick and easy. We'll do it one more time just to show you guys because that's kind of cool. Literally just turn it. And it just.
I'm sure there's a purpose for it.
Yeah, I don't know.
She's probably to raise the front. But,
Yeah. Oh.
there's more instructions here.
No, look. So it has a recline indicator on the side, so you can recline it to the baby size. So for you want it to be in blue when they're 4 to 20 pounds, and then when they're 20 to 35, you want it to be in the red. You know, one of the reasons that I kind of wanted to do kind of like a guy version of unboxing for baby stuff is that I feel there's like a lot of women that talk about different things on the strollers and on the beds and everything, and I didn't feel like there was like a guy's version where we can kind of go, oh yeah, this is rugged, this is cool. I can throw this out the window and
a beer mug.
Yeah. That's about it.
Beer mug holder.
And then you have your hat and then, no, but it just no, we were just trying to figure out, you know, what we can buy, and you know, if this helps other parents, and maybe even say like the dad's trying to figure out something that they can buy for the baby. Obviously, we are trying to help with that, and you know, maybe give you guys random ideas. You know, anything like the, you know, from the Kobu to the Wayfair beds and how easy it was to build. Even for the women, if they want to sit there and build stuff. A lot of it was pretty simple. You know, obviously trying to find the instructions for the Wayfair one but I was like, what happened? But overall, like I said, it was just one of those things. I was trying to find something that was built very stout, and I wanted to kind of give an opinion from a guy's point of view. And yeah, I hope you guys, really enjoy our videos. We'll be doing, a lot more of these as we're kind of getting closer to that day. And I'm excited.
The day baby Alvin is born.
But yeah, no, like I said, overall, I'm excited. Everything is working like it should. Look at this, it's like
you can even feel the sturdiness. It's pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
Very good. Very nice.
Anyway, guys, first timers, we're out. See you later, YouTube. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Woo!